Yeah, they're not too sure about me. They didn't. You can hear that pipe rolling. They still want to be over here with their mamas. Actually, the bucket and the lid, they don't have to be mounted to tires. They could be mounted to a piece of plywood or left unmounted.
very hilly ground, quite a bit of rainfall in a year. We had about 72 inches of rainfall. We had a double up parlour before, 24. When we had 100 cows, it was fine, but now we've grown up to 650 cows. We went to Dairy Master factory, they're making over 90% of the products themselves. In the end, we took the decision to go for a 70-point Dairy Master. We saw that Dairy Master offered a very superior package with everything involved. Having stainless steel means that it will last forever. That's why we went for Dairy Master as well. It was a amount of stainless in the build. Other competitors would take 2-3 months to install the parlour, which to me would mean that I'd have to be there more time. And with Dairy Master being here for only a week, it was ideal for us really. They soon got into things, and by the end of the week we had all the rotary installed. Started milking, everybody was mostly excited about what was going to happen. So after 2 milkings, all the cows were coming on fine. It's unbelievable how they've adapted to the rotary from a herringbone. And before we had 1 or 2 cows fidgety in the old parlour, and now they just seem so settled in a rotary parlour. And I think it's a fact that they are on the move and they have their individual stalls, which makes them more relaxed during the milking time. Put on ACRs, cluster fresh, auto teat spray. We've also incorporated the Moo Monitor heat detection collars into the parlour as well, which works very well with the drafting kit, and all the cows bulling in the morning is drafted automatically for us. After installing them, their value for money is incredible. We've been using it for a year now, and all the cows have been picked up. And also the activity, picks up cows which aren't very well, and so that's valuable as well. We decided on a 31,000 Dairy Master milk tank. Looking to the future, we thought we'd have enough capacity for future expansion. The amount the compressors are running is very small, only a couple of hours in the middle of the night, and we found that it works very well. The milk in the tank is at 3.5 degrees. We've halved the milking time. The quality of life we have and our staff is much easier, and cows are lying down more hours in the day than they are standing in the collecting yard. These days you need to make farming more attractive for youngsters, and with this type of milking parlour, 70-point rotary, it makes them attractive for youngsters to come home to the farm and look to the future to producing milk cheaply and efficiently.